Hello, beach enthusiasts and future retirees. Welcome to the Beach Dude Wealth Channel. Today we have an exciting topic which combines the wisdom of the legendary Warren Buffett with our dream of achieving financial freedom and retiring at the beach. We'll be diving into Buffett's favorite ETFs and building a simple portfolio for your beach financial freedom. Now, we all know Warren Buffett is a financial genius, and his investment strategies have stood the test of time. But how can we apply his principles to our dream of retiring at the beach? Well, one way is through exchange-traded funds or ETFs. These are investment funds that hold assets like stocks, bonds, or commodities but trade on stock exchanges. They offer simplicity, diversification, and the potential for solid returns. Before we delve into the specific ETFs Warren Buffett likes, let's understand the overarching principles he emphasizes in investing: simplicity and long-term growth. Buffett often talks about the importance of low-cost, broad-market index funds. Now let's see how we can align this with our dream of beachside retirement. First on our list is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. This ETF tracks the performance of the S&P 500 index, giving you exposure to some of the largest and most established companies in the U.S. It's a cornerstone in Buffett's recommended approach, investing in a broad market index for long-term growth. As the record of this video, I have owned Vanguard's VOO for several years. Now let's talk about simplicity. Imagine managing your portfolio with the same ease as walking along the beach. Buffett encourages investors to keep it simple, and the next ETF on our list reflects that philosophy. While not an ETF, Buffett's own company, Berkshire Hathaway, is often considered an indirect way to invest in his success. It's like having a piece of Buffett's wisdom in your portfolio. For our third pick, let's talk about the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. This ETF mirrors the performance of the USA Total Market Index, providing exposure to the entire U.S. stock market. Buffett's endorsement of broad market exposure is key to long-term success, just like the enduring waves of the ocean. Now let's incorporate the principles of staying active into our financial strategy. Just as we prioritize physical well-being, Buffett emphasizes staying engaged with your investments for long-term success. This brings us to our next ETF. Preferred stocks can provide stable income, and the iShares US Preferred Stock ETF is one of Buffett's favorites in this category. It's like finding that perfect spot on the beach, reliable and rewarding. Lastly, let's ride the financial waves with the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, SPY. This ETF is one of the oldest and most widely traded, making it a favorite among investors looking for simplicity and stability. It's like catching the perfect wave in the world of investing. Building a portfolio for beach financial freedom doesn't have to be complicated. By following Buffett's principles of simplicity, long-term growth, and staying engaged, we can create a portfolio that stands the test of time, just like the endless beauty of the beach. Remember, we like Warren's recommendation to keep it simple and look to balance your portfolio of 90% of ETFs and 10% in short-term government bonds. Thank you for joining us today on Beach Dude Wealth, where we focus on wealth, personal finance, and beach lifestyle. Where achieving financial freedom and retiring at the beach is the goal. Until next time, stay financially fit and beach ready.